you have been abusing drugs, and now you have joined Kenyatta University. We want to tell you that is another area that all the people you see here, all the security people, everybody who cares about the student, we do not entertain that kind of a behavior. So if you know that you have that behavior, it should not be in Kenyatta University. You keep your morals and try to associate yourself with the people who can help you to go through the school. Those distractions, people who are just there trying to actually misuse you or use you in a way that you didn't expect, this should be avoided, and avoid people who are just there not for you but to misuse you. And the guardians, keep on trying to find out what is happening. Probably within a semester, they could even visit. They could even, send somebody, a relative, to come and, check on them. And sometimes they can even come to the university and try to find out how the students are, going on. It is not enough just to bring a student here and then you expect that you see the student after the semester.